In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva to create a flyer. When you log into Canva, you can click on templates in the top toolbar and you can see all the different categories. You will see under templates there's a marketing section, and underneath it you'll find flyer. You can always click here. If you wish to start from scratch, you can click on create a design in the top right corner. However, today I'm going to show you how to search in the search bar for real estate flyers. This will pull up a few templates that you can choose from. As I scroll down the page, you'll find all the different templates. Now just remember, as you're looking at these templates, you will swap out the photos with your photos, you will change the wording with your own. You can always add your image and your logo. You can even change the color scheme of the flyer to match what you would prefer. There are so many options within the program that you can choose so that you don't have to create one from scratch. Today I'm going to use this one. Once I click on it, I'll click use this template and it will pop up on my screen so that I can start to customize it. Here you can see the template I chose. It has other branding on it, but if you look on the far left, you'll see all these different tabs. Text, elements, photos. We're going to go to the uploads because this is where you are going to go to add any of the images that you would like to bring in. I've already pulled in images, but if I click upload images, it will allow me to browse my computer or Google Drive or Dropbox to find the images that I wish to use in this flyer. So if you have the home images saved on your computer, select them and click open and they will add to the upload section. So here you see all the images that I have available to me to create this flyer. Now I'm going to do some customization. I want to add the NP Dodge logo to my design. So I'm going to pull it in. Then you'll see it will pull in rather large, but I have the ability to drag the corners in order to make it the size that I want. I'm going to move it out of the way and delete the logo that is on the flyer currently, and then I'm going to enlarge that image once again. Now I could have done that in reverse order, but I'm just showing you how you can customize. Now I'm going to change out the images. All I have to do is click and drag to the spot that I want the image to land. So once I click and drag, I let go and you'll see my image dropped right into that large image square, and I'm replacing the lower three images as well. Simple as a drag and click. Now I'm going to enlarge the image so that I can change out the text a little bit easier. So here I can click on those property features. I can expand the box. I can change the name if I don't want it to be property features. I can change the verbiage. I can go to the text in the bottom right corner and I'm going to go ahead and change that to my branding. So you can see this whole thing is customizable. You really just get the layout and the color scheme, and all of that can even be changed. So you'll see these boxes are just built out. I'm going to continue to edit it a little bit here. Going to add in my name and my company, my email, my website, my phone number, stacy.npdodge.com. Don't forget to add your rebrand website, which is usually your first name, last name, then npdodge.com, phone number, email address, and then I can move this box. I can enlarge the box. You'll just see me move things around a little bit. I can expand that color block so I can move it over. Maybe you're someone who likes to add your image, your portrait to all of your branding. You can go ahead and add that. Here you can see me resizing it so that it will be small and down in the corner next to my contact information. I'm going to put it in that same dark box as my name and contact info. Maybe I will drag that color block in a little bit to line up with the white edging on the rest of the flyer. But then I want to show you how you can change the color scheme. So I clicked on that dark grayish black box, and in the top left corner you'll see the color. So here I can select a color from the photo colors or click new color. This will allow me to play around with the different colors. That's a little too purple. I can go down to my blues. I can make it a little bit darker till I find something closer to what I'm looking for. See me just manipulate that bar and select within the box the color that I would prefer to use. Let's say I like this one, clicking out of it so that I can keep it. Yep, that blue looks great to me. I want to use that one. And here you can see that blue lives there. If I scroll down to the bottom, I can change this color block to match. So here it has the document colors, so I can select the blue I previously selected and change that. Maybe I also want the text to have that same dark blue color. I can do that here by clicking in the top toolbar on the color, and then again picking document colors, the blue I've used previously. It is that easy. Now I have this great flyer that's ready to go. Now you would have modified all the verbiage to match the property that you are representing, but simple as that. I didn't have to be a marketing mind, and I didn't have to create this all on my own. So now I can click print flyers in the top right corner, and this will allow me to purchase printed flyers through Canva. So that's one option you have. 50 copies, $28 sent to you, or next to that, print flyers is a download arrow. Click on that and click the download button, and it's going to save that document to your computer. It's preparing the design, and then here it pulls up my Finder window or my documents desktop, wherever you prefer to save it. I'm saving it to a flyers folder on my desktop, and click save. And then it's ready and there for me when I want to print it. I just go to my computer, find that file, and click print.